Let me show you how I choose fabric for my patchwork bags. I'm going to make the Quilted Boxy Pouch using foundation paper piecing and improv piecing for my quilted panels. You can find the video tutorial on my economy blogs right here, and the free templates are over on my website. I make sure to link everything for you below. I'm starting with my batten, which is basically the canvas for my panels, and then my first economy block as the main feature for my bag. And then I'm choosing fabric to the right and left of my block. And then fabric for the bottom of my panel. I'm not sure about the orange one, but I do like the strawberries. And I think I like all of this together. Now for the Quilted Boxy Pouch, I have to also consider my safe zone. Everything beyond this will be cut away later on. But yes, that's a go, and I can go to the side for now. And again, I'm starting with my batting as a canvas. And this is the economy block I like to use. Again, I'm trying the orange print, but I don't like it here. But I think the spoons are great here. Now fabric to the right and left of my block. And then again, I'm using the fabric for my first quilt panel. And I think that's a winner. Quick check with my safe zone, and I think we're all ready to go. And now I'm starting to piece it all together. First up, the fabric to the right and left of my economy block. And then I'm sewing it all together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And now I'm giving it a good press. And then I trim down my block, just like this. And now I'm adding the fabric at the bottom. Again, using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And that's my panel all pieced together. And I do pretty much the same for the other side. And that's both my panels ready to go. And now I'm getting ready to quilt them. I start by marking them just like this. And then I machine quilt my panels just like this. This step takes quite a bit, but it's so worth it in the end. And that's my panel all quilted. Now I'm trimming it down to the right size. You can find the exact measurements for my bag in the pattern. And now I'm marking my corners, and then I cut them away. You can now see why we had to consider the safe zone earlier on. And that's why you didn't want any important fabrics in your corners. And that's it. This is how I choose my fabric for my patchwork bags. And of course I make sure to link all the details for you below. Now watch the tutorial for the Quilted Boxy Pouch next.